Welcome to my channel. Let us look at this interesting equation. Prove that cos theta times tan theta over sin theta minus cos squared theta is equal to sin squared theta. So the first thing we're going to do is manipulate what we have on the left hand side to see if we get what is on the right hand side. So on the left hand side, what we have is cos theta times tan theta over sin theta minus cos squared theta. So from here, we can rewrite tan in terms of cos and sine. So it means we're going to have cos theta times tan theta can be seen as sine theta over cos theta, and that is over sine theta, and then you're still subtracting cos squared theta. So in the numerator, you can see that we can cancel cos theta and cos theta, so that we are left with just sine theta in the numerator. So that is sine theta over sine theta minus cos squared theta. That is what we are left with. So you can see that sine theta and sine theta will cancel, so that we are left with 1 minus cos squared theta. And if you remember the trigonometric identity, if you have sine squared theta plus cos squared theta, that is the same as 1. So you can rewrite sine in terms of cos, so that sine squared theta, if you take cos to the side, it will be 1 minus cos squared theta. So we can use this identity to rewrite our result there. Our result was 1 minus cos squared theta. And as you can see from this, that is the same as sine squared theta. And if you check, that is what we actually have on the right hand side. So we have proved that what is on the left hand side is the same as what is on the right hand side. Thank you for watching. Kindly remember to subscribe.